Sesiphakamiso sombutho we-ATM sele sinjonja iminyaka emibini kodwa sihambe sixinga ngenxa yokungavisisani kwiinkundla zamatyala phakathi kwe-ATM nosomlomo wasepalamente ngomba wokuvotela ekhusini. I-ATM ithi iza kuphinda isimise esisiphakamiso de isicelo sayo kwinkundla yamatyala ephakamileyo yaseNtshona Kapa ithathe isigqibo ngalomba wokuvotela ekhusini.
The ATM will enroll the secret ballot case in the normal court roll because the judge said it is impossible for her to hear the matter and give judgment within 48 hours to be in time for the debate that is scheduled on Wednesday, the 30th of March. The ATM will henceforth write an urgent letter to the Speaker of the National Assembly requesting her to postpone the debate on the no confidence motion.
Ipalamente imekwelithi esisiphakamiso se-ATM asinasihlahla.
The Speaker remains of a view that as public representatives of the electorate, members of Parliament are not supposed to always operate under a veil of secrecy. Considerations of transparency and openness sometimes demand a display, as the Constitutional Court asserted, of courage and resoluteness to boldly advance the best interests of those the members of the NA represent.
Umbutho we-DA naye uthi uza kuzisa esinye isiphakamiso esivakalisa ukuba ayithembanga iCabinet.
For me, in this particular instance, a secret ballot is less of an issue. The fact that MPs should be allowed to vote with their conscience and not simply have a chief whip standing up and saying, well, I represent 240 MPs and therefore I'm casting their votes in a certain way. I think that's wrong.
Umbutho we-ANC wona uza kuziphikisa zombini ezi ziphakamiso.
They went to court because they demand a secret ballot and the Speaker has ruled against that. I'm happy that the court is not doing overreach. They allow us as Parliament, as a separate arm of state, to run our own programs.
Umbutho we-Aljama nawo uyayixhasa i-ANC. Amehlo aza kube ejonge epalamente ngolwesithathu. Ulelani Philip, SABC News ePalamente.